Hi everyone, I'm making this quick little video just to let you know how to get back on Pearson. We haven't been there for a while. And I want to show you how the class is going to progress. So you're going to just log on to Pearson like you normally do. You're going to go to sign in. You're going to sign in. Hopefully you remembered your password. You haven't been there for a while. And then you're going to log into your class. Yours probably doesn't look like mine, but I'll do it anyway. Okay, so we go here, go to the class, and we're back where we're kind of familiar. I'm going to make sure that mine looks like what yours will look like. So you'll probably look something like this, depending on what you pick. In the past, we've used the multimedia library, we've used all the pages and all that to get to the Excel files. We're not going to do that anymore. So I'm going to have you just always go straight to course home. Oops, course home. And okay. And let me see. And that should show you, let's see here. That should show you something that looks like this, your calendar. And so that is going to be how you're going to find your assignments. That'll probably be the easiest way. So once the assignments show up, you'll just click on the assignment. It just looks like a little icon on the date that I assign it, and it'll have the date due, and then you can open it up. And that's pretty much how you'll be accessing your assignments on Canvas from now on. You could also click on assignments, go there, and your assignments are going to show up. But you don't have any assignments yet, so you don't have anything to worry about quite yet. But anyway, I just wanted you to realize that now your assignments are going to pop up on Pearson, and they're going to be on this little calendar, and they're all self-graded, so I won't be grading them anymore. I'm still around. I'm still going to narrate the PowerPoints. If you want a Zoom conference, I'm always available if you get stuck. We're going to start on chapter 7, as you'll see. I'll get that PowerPoint up and running here in a little bit. Anyway, okay, I hope that helps you. Alrighty, bye-bye.